My name is Brian Foley, and this is Programming Assignment 3, the data plane. So I'm going to go ahead and just go through the grading rubric. I'm going to run it from Visual Code directly since there's no arguments. I'm just going to go ahead and press the play button there, and it'll be just like I'm running it from the terminal. So first thing is to set up a message that's over 80 characters long, or at least 80 characters long, and then have it split that message. So that's going to be in simulation, link network and simulation here. I'm going to go ahead and run that. New. Oh wait, there we go. Go ahead and run that. Alright, so now you can see here the message here is 81 bytes or 81 characters, and what it does is it splits the data once it gets in the UDT, and as you can see here, this is what's it's split into, and then this is the original message. So it splits that data and then eventually receives the packet on host 2, and that's that right there. The next thing here, the packets are small enough to pass over link, so this is at the router level here is to support segmentation. So this is going to be in simulation 2. And this is going to work very similarly, except it's not going to happen at the host level. It's going to happen at the routing level. And let's see. Alright, so as you can see, it says splitting data at router. So it does the same thing, and it splits the data at the host. So it implements the very first simulation network and link as well, the first implementation of it. So this one just splits data at the router as well, and as you can see, it's taking that data and it's putting into little messages like this. So it is less than 30, and it's saying host 2 receives the packet, and the host 2 is eventually receiving the packet. It's hard to get all the messages here right next to one another, but host 2 is receiving those packets and it's receiving all of them. And then finally, we're going to set up this configuration right here, and I have that set up in simulation. So here's all the routers and the links between them all set up, and I'm going to go ahead and run that. I didn't do a message over 80 characters, I just did a regular one, and I'll show you the routes that those messages take. Okay, so the message host 1 has to reach host 3. So the message from host 1 is going to have 3 as the destination, and it's also going to pass through router B. And that's going to be right. Router C takes 4, and then router B is going to take packet 3, the exact one that I just said, as well as router C is going to take the one destined for host 4, which is sent from host 2. So it's taking that path right there. And as you can see, host 4 receives the packet, and it's destined for number 4, and host 3 received that packet as destined for number 3 as well. So that is my implementation. I'll send the